Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Director General of Police Kajala, Henden kasngi ke South Rik unai luar, ulalum da ke Jelang, ya baro ki principal jong ki school bagi college ba peroper, hakani nong ba Shillong, kumjo ya kirang ba Shnong jong ki Shnong ba peroper. Kenang bakin Jingmut, kumno ban Weng ke Jingdheng kali, ka ba pensertok hadu kata-kata, ya kinong lait nong wan, hakini kisngi bamenta. Nakalyang ginok punya skol berkirang Shnong kila Jingmut, syakat nat pulen bakladai kapor baki skol ki badan hakat hain lait umkra, kidai bandan no da ki school bus, kenang ban Weng ya ke Jingdheng kali ke bajor, kamtam hakapor mestam bar hakapor wai skol, kabal kata jor ya kalet kawan jong ipat ba. Hakani jelang kalami ro ke Jingmut, naki bor punya college bakin bu no da ki samla pule ban longkom ki traffic volunteers, hakapor mestam shua ban long skol, bar hakapor no pasngi ondala wai skol. Kenang bakan yarap di kipulet penyat kali jong nong ba Shillong ban Weng ya ke Jingdheng kali hakathan na umkra bat hakiwe di kibenta jong nong ba Shillong.
Now we can't always, now say for example police bazaar, vehicles coming from say from SPOP side to side, then although there are points where they are one entry and no entry like this, but the numbers of vehicles going to Mokhar, not far. Buses are going STPL, buses are going STPL, taxis are going, local taxis are going, private vehicles are going, and there is a great jam. Why? Because the jam starts from the motor going to the police, and poor policeman I should say, he can't take proper action against the erring drivers. Overtaking drivers, the taxi drivers are overtaking, nobody minds it. Similarly, the position is elsewhere also, similar position. In Mawlai, when you come, you see there in taxi driver particularly, the citizens, the private vehicles, they obey the rules. But mainly the taxi driver, they will come this side, they will go this side, they will go this side. And the traffic jam is there.
All the roads from Nong to Rangbah to this NES junction. So, sir, if you can check all these vehicles, commercial vehicles, trucks especially, morning times, because all the students want to get in time to school.
Vegetable markets, you see, so that all these villagers from villages, they won't come anymore to Shillong. They can have vegetable market in the outskirts of Shillong and sell their vegetables or their produce. And then in this way also is one method of decongestion. And we would like to urge the government also not to have any new office building in Shillong city, because there are certain departments who are also, because land is available very much in Lower Lashuga and they are proposing to have new buildings. And if you have new building, new offices, that means more vehicles, more people will be there, four-wheeler, two-wheeler will be there. And another way of decongestion also is to open up these peripheral roads. To try to open up the peripheral roads so that people will not take the main road. They will go through the peripheral roads. Because in many cities also, in many big towns also, they try to develop these peripheral roads so that people can avoid to take the main road.
In Mawlai, they are fully cooperate and give cooperation to the police department. That is true. If you inquire from the police, Mawlai PS also, they will tell the truth. But the only thing that I have seen, that the lapses of this congestion is this, that the traffic police cannot control the traffic jam due to the decreasing of the strength in the police department. I have seen, because when there's a block, when there's a traffic jam, when there's the police officers at the particular spot, then and there the traffic goes in. I have seen it because another thing that the police should implement the law and order as deemed as per rule and regulation of the traffic. Because the driver, at the same time, I have seen most of them, they are ignorant. They does not know even the traffic rules. In this occasion, I have seen that the police department or the government should make a leaflet written about the traffic rules and the duty and the functions of the driver, how to drive the vehicle, how to park the vehicle, how to embark and disembark the passenger.
I think if the public administration, especially the government, think of strengthening the Nanpolok Dam, maybe the road that come from City Dava, they can directly come to Laihukra or other areas. And also, if we are taking seriously, even the coming from Johor side, if you want to go to Guwahati, you can straight away come to this it's called Lao Sip, and from there you can go to this Maupat, and from there you can go directly to Maulai through the new road from Mount Tawa that is being developed. So I think if you take it, it is possible, but we need the government agencies to participate in it fully and to develop this road as quickly as possible, because the roads are already now, I think, half done, and if it is fully done, I think certain areas can be congested. And the other area that I fully agree that we need school buses, because instead of having so many vehicles coming into any institution, I think one school bus can take at least 50 students, so you will solve another 50 vehicles almost. So I think school buses has to become a must. It must become mandatory for all schools, especially in the Laihukra area, to decongest these areas.
They are able to ease it. Why not? There is a shortage, yes, but can't we just give volunteers? There are hours, there are fixed time when the neighbors know it, the local residents know it. Yeah, this is a bottleneck point between, say, 145 and 230 or something like that. Every area has a particular point of block. I mean, time span when the traffic flow is very high and dense, then we not get some extra volunteers. We can make some amendments to our these volunteers. Do you know that what will be the percentage in Shillong City of the volunteers who manage traffic along with the city police? Say 30, 40, 50, 60 as to traffic. So what is the percentage of your volunteers other than regular paid employees?
So we've got 255 rupees on 100 payments.
255 to 100.
What is it?
1:3. So 30%, around 30, little more than 30% of your staff is managed by volunteers who wear uniform for the whole day. They receive training of about 6 weeks plus. We can have for specialized areas, we can think of having such volunteers, such traffic volunteers on a paid basis. On a paid basis, not just with a jacket and some payment. Split by the standard rates which are provided, and with under due color of office and duty, with due authority. Even elderly people, because we are not just to get people to stand. We need people who can manage, who can influence, even if it is a old lady. The sanctity of first-hand experience and first-hand solutions is paramount. And we will deal directly with whatever is there. Because my man, he takes in the carbon dioxide. It is he who goes to the hospital. It is he who loses his temper over his children after doing a duty of 8 hours plus. So we will take care. We will hear out everything. Whatever you have said, we went through it over and over again. We thought of solutions also. Some of them we will request. We begin to pray and then request, then asking, persuading, cajoling if need be. And in the very end, attempt certain, with common consent, measures like cranes and this, because those are also, if in the short run there is no other solution. In stages of